First of all, I would like to thank Asian College of Teachers for facilitating such a wonderful workshop. And my say here is that I think during our day-to-day life, we always talk about other people, and hardly we tend to talk about ourselves, try to reflect ourselves. And this is what I think back in my country, I also teach counseling courses where I used to take, and I think this has become a very essential part, because these days we never talk about ourselves. This gives more sort of reflection. And other thing is that I think we were doing all the things. So it's not that we are not doing, but only thing is that we are not able to discover what are the things that we are doing. It is something like discovering ourselves more. And with this one, I think I become a better version of what I was. And overall, the course looks, maybe at the end, I like to say it's informative, educative, and I think this is really going to benefit a lot of my students back in my country, Bhutan. And one or two suggestions could be like, I think if maybe in the course, if you have something related to the training that you have, maybe, because we also need to look at the diversity of the learners. Some learn by the visual. So if you have something, short clips, something to tell about something to relate about the particular topic, I think that would be fine. But if you're not able, I think if you're not able to do it, I think it's up to you. And with this one, thank you, Tim. I feel energized. I feel, maybe I could say, not just energized, but I also use other E. I also feel enlightened with the course. Thank you.